So let me first explain why Yagyadevam's decipherment proves that the Aryan invasion or Aryan migration theory cannot hold. Okay, so the main point of this theory is that in some time between 1900 BC and 1200 BC, Sanskrit was brought into our country by people from southern Russia. Okay, so they are called steppe migrants or steppe invaders. So the theory is these people came in, they introduced Sanskrit. Sanskrit was not spoken here earlier, according to them.
As per the theory.
Yeah. So they introduced Sanskrit. They also were the composers of the Vedas, and they basically also forced us to adopt their religion, which is Vedic Hinduism. Okay, and so that was the theory. Now, the thing is that Yagyadevam has shown that the language of the Indus Valley civilization is Sanskrit. So I mentioned that the seals in Sanskrit, or the inscriptions date back to 4000 BC. So Sanskrit was even being written in 4000 BC. So imagine from how long back it was being spoken.
Yeah.
So that means it can't have been introduced by foreigners after 1900 BC.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Because the period of Aryan invasion theory is put forth to be in a later period.
Yes.
But the inscriptions which dates much before and as being deciphered today, we know that Sanskrit was already in present even quite before the so-called hypothesizing of the Aryan invasion theory.